core JDBC classes or interfaces in Java database connectivity. Here you can see core JDBC classes or interfaces. This figure shows the core JDBC classes or interfaces used to access a database. The core JDBC classes or interfaces are as follows. Java.sql.driver manager. The major task of the driver manager class is to access JDBC drivers and create java.sql.connection database connection objects. Java.sql.connection. This interface represents a database connection. This is the key for the accessing most of the database objects such as tables, columns, and so on. Java.sql.statement. The connection objects creates a statement objects. You can use statement object to execute SQL statement and queries, which produces the result set objects. The result of executing SQL command and queries. Java.sql.prepared statement. A connection object creates prepared statement, parameterized statement objects. You can use the prepared statement object to execute SQL statement and queries, which produce result set objects. The result of executing SQL statement and queries. Java.sql.callable statement. The connection object creates a callable statement. Statement used to execute stored procedures objects. You can use prepared statement objects to execute SQL statement. And queries, which produces result set object. The result set executing SQL statement and queries. The callable statements. The Java.sql.result set. The result set of a SQL query is returned via a result set object. The table of data representing a database result set, which is usually generated by executing a statement that queries the database. Class driver manager in package SQL Java.sql in module Java.sql. The base service for managing a set of JDBC drivers. Note the data source interface provides another way to connect to a data source. The use of data source object is preferred meanings of connecting to a data source. Interface connection in package Java.sql in module Java.sql. A connection session with the specific database. The SQL statements are executed and results are returned within the context of a connection. Interface statement. The object used for executing a static SQL statement and returning the result it produces. Interface prepared statement. An object that represents a precompiled SQL statement. Interface callable statement. The interface used to execute SQL stored procedures. The JDBC API provides a stored procedure SQL escape syntax that allows stored procedures to be called in a standard way for all RDBMSs. This escape syntax has one form that includes the result parameter and one that does not. If used, the result parameter must be registered as an out parameter. Other parameters can be used for input, output, or both. Parameters are referred to sequentially by number, with the first parameter being 1. Interface result set. A table of data representing a database result set, which is usually generated by executing a statement that queries the database. Here the one load and register JDBC driver. Here you can see driver manager. Driver manager is connected to connection where to get the connection object from the driver manager. 3 here create statement, prepared statement or callable statement. Here the connection is connected to statement and prepared statement and callable statement, and here the statement and prepared statement and callable statement are connected to result set via for execute statement, prepared statement or callable statement. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.